Okay, how do I use this?
How to use this? Oh, you got interesting.
Yeah, I don't think it's I don't know how to use it. Okay. Squadron controls 1, 2, 3. Take off, press the squadron key again, landing F. Press the left mouse button to enable attack mode, press left mouse button again to attack. So left mouse button is attack mode, then press again to attack. Landing is F. Squadron key to. Okay.
So that was a match the last one.
That's my first squadron. My first squadron is.
Okay.
Okay. Now, how do I play this?
How do you play this? Is this gonna be a worse match to the last one?
Oh. What the heck is this? What is this? How to play?
What are you sending out? A scout? Yeah, you're sending out scouts.
These are not scouts.
What are they then?
How do I switch back to my... They are not scouts.
They are fighters? They are certainly not bombers.
I think fighters.
They are fighters.
Detected. Hey, who's detecting my aircrafts? Oi! Which idiot is detecting my aircraft? Wants to die? There, Phoenix. Stupid cruiser, come! Or attack you. Die already. Warn you.
When you're attacking, you can't attack with fighters. Come on, you get a torpedo bomber up there.
Me? You can what?
Really?
Boom! Incapacitated. Shot
Wait a
them.
second.
F. Alright, now you're returning.
Those
Alright.
are certainly not fighters. They are bombers, huh?
No, those are fighters, okay? What do you mean?
And why do they have bombs?
No. Those are fighters. Excuse me, what do you mean?
Those are bombers.
What lie are you trying to tell?
I'm saying that those are bombers.
No, those were attack aircrafts. What do you mean? Those were actually attack aircrafts.
Interesting.
Now! Time for me to I think it's time I summon my dive bombers.
Destroyers are hard to hit things.
Time to dive bomb my enemy. Let's go.
I'm getting pounded.
My aircraft carriers been detected. What? Oh, by this destroyer. Okay, this destroyer is gonna die.
Shit. All hands open fire, everything I've got. It's not gonna torpedo yet. Whoa, I killed it! Before I torpedoed me, wow.
Some torpedo bombers now. And I'm gonna torpedo bomb that battleship.
Over penetration, I don't care. Get over the with. Oh!
Spot together.
Target locked on the battleship. Wow, immediately I already have like almost 12k damage. This is a good match.
I'm still trying to figure out how this
Certainly
works.
better than the last one. Gonna sing that battleship. You still have not spotted me. Mr. Battleship, what are you looking at? I'm clearly shooting at you.
If I what are you trying to shoot at? No, stop that. That's illegal.
What, illegal at what, huh?
They're shooting me. They're trying to shoot me. It's illegal.
I'm trying to shoot your aircraft, Sunday.
Some torpedo bombing.
Did you just missed?
What do you mean? Yes, I missed. Look, man, I'm still trying to get used to what
Oh.
these all do, okay?
Well, they are still very similar to the destroyer when you torpedo bomb them.
Alright, return. Oh, target hit, cost flooding. Easy. Now, time to send in more attack aircrafts.
Attack aircraft seems to be a very interesting plan. More spotting online. There we go. Spotted that guy.
The bombers are ready to take off, I see.
Fire at will. Over pan. No, non-pan. What is this nonsense?
My aircraft got detected, what? Who detected me? Ah, you! That battleship, you're gonna die! Okay, he actually died, but not from me. Now who that battleship. Oh wait, no, oh, I'm gonna go after the battleship that you're fighting. I'm gonna press support.
Ooh, that's good amount of damage. Hey, are you trying to steal my kill?
These are attack aircrafts, they can't kill it, what do you mean?
Oh, totally, with those bombs that I see.
Those aren't bombs, what do you mean? They're attack aircrafts, okay? What's this? Are you trying to lie? Stop lying.
Citadel shot. Ooh, those are close, but no citadel. What is your pathetic aircraft doing? You missed.
No, I hit. What do you mean? I hit.
What? Okay.
Those are attack aircrafts, okay? They don't do much damage.
They look pathetic.
Yeah, I'm. First time using an aircraft carrier. You've never used an aircraft carrier. What do you mean?
Apparently, I'm insulting your aircraft carrier abilities.
Excuse me, I can torpedo you.
Is that a threat?
Yes.
60k damage.
But there's a bit of a delay in between when I'm firing the torpedoes from aircrafts and when they actually fire.
I see. Because the aircraft need some time to travel there. A 1,000 damage? Seriously? Whoa. Whoa! Ooh! Beautifully done.
Bye bye. Alright, returning. Dive bombers?
Those look pathetic.
What do you mean?
Ooh! That deals a lot of damage. That guy's no joke. That guy has so much guns. Finish him, Aaron. Kill him.
No, thanks, you do it.
Actually, I dealt 8k damage just now. Beautifully done. Continue pounding. I'm gonna kill that guy. Ooh, Citadel shot destroyed. 9k damage in one shot. Is that battleship trying to match me? Hey, dude, you have 1 HP, so stop trying to match me. You pathetic piece of junk. Salvo. Oh, never mind.
Your skill got stolen.
I got 83k damage. How about your damage, yeah?
Using air, what do you mean? Huh? What are you trying to do?
Oh yeah, I'm trying to challenge you, that's what.
How the hell does this work?
Interesting. So totally kill that guy. After the island symbol goes away. Salvo!
Approaching target. Wait, hurry up now.
Wow! Whoa! 12k and then a 12k. I tried to bomb that guy. Just miss your bombs.
I didn't even shoot. That's the thing.
Didn't even shoot.
Like what? Like how does this work?
Stupid islands. Stop blocking my way. Gonna hit that guy? I'm not gonna hit that guy. Not gonna hit. Nice.
Doesn't do much damage though. Got like 1k.
1k.
Yeah, aircraft carriers don't do that much damage. What? If they did, it would be a bit broken, huh?
They do a lot of damage with the torpedoes.
With their torpedoes, that was a dive bomber.
Yeah.
Hello.
And that dive bombers can also do a lot of damage, fire damage and stuff.
Fire damage. That's not fire. That and also dive bombers don't do the fire damage. Attack aircrafts do.
Just. Whoa! It ended.
Don't get them mixed up. Hello.
Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
different.
I don't use aircraft carriers like you.
Think about it, okay. I hit with 2 torpedoes, 10,000 damage, and
Oh.
plus dive bombers plus attack aircrafts. My destroyer, one torpedo hit 8,000 damage. Aircraft carriers don't do that much damage.
Hey, my one shot can do 10,000 damage.
Ah, yeah, one shot, one torpedo, hello.
Hey,
Not one bullet, one torpedo. Not one entire salvo of torpedoes, one single one, hello.
my one is a one bullet, you know, one bullet.
Ah, bullshit, one bullet, 10,000, bullshit. That was called Citadel, huh?
Yes,
Hello.
yes.
Hello, anybody can do that.
Fine, one shot reduce like 3k. 3k, yeah. Co-op or random.
I think to get used to this, huh?
Okay,
A
okay.
bit difficult to use, huh, actually. Aircraft carrier.
A bit difficult, okay.
Bit difficult.
Bit difficult. Tiny bit difficult. And to get used. So how many aircrafts are there in total?
I only have attack aircraft, dive bomber, and torpedo bomber. I'm not sure about higher rank, but still quite difficult. No, cause thing is, okay,
Yeah.
the aircrafts become very easy to shoot down when they're attacking, when they're in attack mode.
Yeah.
AK when they're flying downwards. So here's the thing, but the thing is, when you change from flight mode to attack mode, the marker that they have for where you're aiming changes as well. Like changes the position. So it's like you have to predict where it's going to be, especially for dive bombers and torpedo bombers. Attack aircraft quite is simple to use. Very simple to use.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I auto them? Is what I'm wondering.
I don't think so. Those are like you shooting main turrets or torpedoes. You can't auto them.
Are you sure about that?
I think I'm sure about that.
Battle starts.
But then let me just start it off strong with the torpedo bombers.
Let me just target you. Just kidding.
Yeah, let me just target you. Let me just turn around my torpedo bombers. Let me just turn my torpedo bombers around right now and I'll just shoot at you.
Oh yeah, sure. I don't think your pathetic torpedo bombers can destroy my ship.
Here's what I'm wondering, how can I, like, you can't, because, yeah, okay. I can't exactly control my ship while I'm controlling the planes. Unless I recall the planes. So which means if I get attacked halfway through, it's like, okay.
Get it?
Like, exactly. Plus, I can't be too far away from the battlefield or else my planes will take like 5 years to get to the enemies.
Good to know.
And a bit more to the left. Then a bit more to the left. A bit more to the left. and activate attack mode. Let's see if I have torpedoes right now, and then just return. Let's see. Let's go attack aircrafts. Shit! I forgot I was gonna get my. Oh wait a minute! I forgot. I don't need to return the back instantly. I can get my planes to run away.
Oh.
To keep you going.
Come on, down.
Attack aircraft's coming for you, eh? No, just kidding.
Whoa, they are shooting at me.
So later I drop some incendiary shots on you, you watch out.
Sure. Totally threatening, man. You see that pathetic cruiser
Wait,
right there?
how is the Langley able to throw out two units at the two spots of planes at the same time? I can only summon one at a time. What's this? I'm actually getting scammed.
It is called AI. They freaking know what you're doing, man.
So our teammates, not AI, what? Oi.
Oh, you say you're.
Hello.
Whoops, my bad.
How's ya?
Abound. That's beautiful.
How you do that? What is this? I'm actually getting scammed.
Oh, that's a lot of damage. Whoa! Getting shot at. Getting shot at again. New target.
Our team is taking the lead.
Oh, 7,000 damage. So it's Amaji. Oh, this is a freaking high-class ship. What the heck? Not fair. Whoa, missed. Beautiful. So how are you doing back there, huh? What the hell? This is bull crap. Oh, 11k damage.
Come on, I need to check with you how to like warships, aircraft carriers, how to use multiple aircrafts at once. Useless.
I ran into a wreckage.
Our victory is in sight.
Those look good. Come on. Ooh, turret down. That ship is really fast. Whatever that ship is. Are torpedo sitting?
Nope.
Stupid island.
Huh?
The island blocked my shot.
Ships, aircraft carrier guide. Oh, cancel it.
Got a box. Let's see, luck chest. Open it up.